Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best water bubble walls available on the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction, and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5, we have water bubble wall. You can enter your own personal utopia where LED lighted bubbles stream through a panel of water. You can adjust the color, brightness and pattern of the lighting to create your desired atmosphere. This bubble wall is composed of high-quality lightweight aluminum and acrylic. The wall-hanging bubble fountain unit has 30 inches in height x 18 inches wide by 2 inches deep. The low-profile unit and uses a remotely located air pump. At number 4 we have Playlearn water bubble wall. The LED lights change the water colors and the bubbles swim up the tank panels as the pump hums gently. This combination has a soothing, calming effect and stimulates the senses. This is a great way to improve the decor of your sensory room, dining room, bedroom, living room, or even an office or doctor's waiting area. This LED floor lamp and wall fountain all in one. This flat floor standing water bubble tube stands at more than 4 feet high. It offers a wide array of changing colors and helps create a more relaxed, calm environment at home or office. At number 3 we have yuda water bubble wall. Yuda special bubble panel with audio speaker collects decoration and function ultra-thin panel. This hot item is not the Wi-Fi audio speaker for event and holiday but also useful to autism people. The bubble and the changing color catch people's eyes, music relax stress and make mind peace. The bubble rise through the bubble and the changing LED lights creating a interesting and colorful visual. The RF remote control the color changing as you want. Acrylic material make more clear vision and sturdy structure prevent bubble tube fragmentation. At number 2 we have water bubble wall. The wall fountain sized 45 inches in height x 21 inches wide by 4 inches deep. This is ready to hang, secures to studs with holes spaced in base for you. The RGB LED color changing lighting with wireless remote control. At number 1 we have Jersey water bubble wall. The 72x19 freestanding dancing bubble panel bubble fountain lightweight acrylic with color changing LED lights remote controller. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best water bubble walls for your need.